Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to give effective and helpful reviews on how-to videos on YouTube. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, providing constructive feedback can be a great way to support creators and help them improve. Here are some tips to help you give a great review. First, make sure you've watched the entire video. You want to provide feedback on the content itself, not just the intro or the thumbnail. Next, focus on what you liked about the video. Was the content informative? Was the presenter engaging and easy to follow? Highlighting the positives will encourage the creator and let them know what they're doing well. If there's something you think the creator could improve on, be specific and provide constructive feedback. For example, instead of saying, "The video was boring," you could say, "I think it would be helpful if you added more visuals to break up the monotony." Finally, be respectful. Remember, you're talking to a real person with feelings and opinions. Avoid personal attacks and negative language. That's it. By following these tips, you can give a review that's both helpful and respectful. So go out there, watch some videos, and leave some great feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.